million miles away. Yeah, I'm already gone.
Just let me I love the way it makes me come alive.
I'm back with some synthetic drip, and it's not on this gorgeous unit that's on my head. This review has already gone up. Check that description box. You will see a direct link to this. This was a bop. It's not on this one, but y'all know we are in the midst of a red and blonde series. We wrapping it up now. So all hair that I reviewed, if you go look at synthetic reviews, they've had to be red, blonde, or a variation, like a mix of reds and blondes. And y'all, we really did find some winners. Surprisingly enough, Main Concept really dominated this. Let's hope that they keep the trend up. This wig ain't by them. Go look in the description box. This wig, however, is, and it's a bob, and y'all know I hate bobs, but y'all like bobs, so. It is by Main Concept, but it's the bread, you tell my fat ass is hungry, brown sugar. And it's in the style BSH205 Linen, L-I-N-E-N, and the color is so pretty. The color is OH1B Caramel Kiss. Linen comes with a 4-inch deep part, and we got that linen kiss that the Madonna stock card is wearing. Y'all, I need to go see if they make some longer wigs in this caramel kiss, because it's my dream hair color. This reminds me of Outray's creamy, is it creamy mocha, creamy toffee? You know what I'm talking about. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. She came with lace that I've cut off, and that's all I've done. Y'all know I like to do everything on camera. Y'all, that's so pretty. Linen has 2 combs in the back, lace part, ear to ear lace, comb in the back, adjustable straps, and some baby hairs. Okay, let me take, what is this wig called? Caliana. Let me take Caliana off my head ever so gently, because she deserves it. And put linen on, and then I'm gonna come back. Bobs on me. Y'all. The texture, the color, the cut, make this wig a must-have if you like bobs like this. And like I said, I really just dislike bobs on me. But y'all, I actually like this one. They also make this in Scarlet. That's the color she's wearing. I almost got that one to give you a 2-for-1. They make her in 430, 1B30, 99J2, 1 and 1B. Y'all, this was it. This is very, very, very pretty. And what I can say about these Main Concept units is they were easy out of the pack, really. Like, you don't have to do a whole lot of finagling to them. Like, I put a little bit of powder in that part just to put it up there because I was gonna plop it on my head and go. Y'all, she's cute, very, very cute. So I 1000% recommend this one. In my head, I'm saying that the wig that I'm about to review next, we ended with Main Concept. It'll be the last in our red and blonde series, but I have a feeling that I have some more that just hadn't came in yet. Actually, I know, now that I'm looking at my board, so y'all can see it. Yes, that's my Goosebump books next to it. Don't judge me. But I'm looking at my board and I'm lying. I have coming in, this is not the last one, we have Outray's Fabienne, we have Sensational Dashley 22 in 2 colors, we have Outray's Kaylin, Outre Nisha 210, Outre Emery, and then I just bought a Glenway 24, another one for my personal. So that was a lie, we ain't almost done. You got more wigs coming. Okay, but Main Concept, geez, Pete, they knocked it out of the park. Y'all, I definitely recommend that you go pick linen up. I love it in this caramel kiss color, but this will be bomb in a black. In the comments, tell me if you like her. Or am I just overly hyping it? This is cute, cute, cute. All right, so I thought this was gonna be the last one we're about to get to, and we ending with well, not ending, because I forgot we got those coming in. We got Main Concept Orpheus in 2 colors, that pink and brown mix and that mix right there. Like I always say, maybe you're not even into wigs. Maybe it's your auntie Luesta. Do they name people Luesta anymore? Maybe it's your Uncle Lester. Whichever one, send them our way, and Main Concept will get them right for some affordable, cute, stiff wear hair. Until next time, which will be maybe 2 days for you, 5 minutes for me. Bye.